Hi, it's me, Tara, again, here to answer your questions. What do we have for today? People can experience skin irritation from the glue, but it's not always the case. If you do experience irritation from the glue, there are some products that you can use. We have scalp protectors, various kinds on our website, that you can use on your head prior to attaching any kind of adhesive, medical grade adhesive, or any kind of glue that will help with any irritation. Also, when you first start off with Hairsystems, we do recommend that you do a patch test. Patch tests help to actually identify if you have any kind of allergic reaction to the actual adhesive. You can click on the link up here to watch a full video on how to do a patch test for the adhesive or the glues. Sometimes the simplest solution is actually just getting a service sooner than later, which can help with any kind of irritation from the adhesive. Because as the adhesive breaks down, it can irritate the scalp sometimes. If you have any other questions, please leave them down below. Please hit that notification button, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.